Welcome back to another video of Redmi K20 Pro custom ROM review, and this is Palladium OS Android 12L, right? Let's go to settings, about phone, Android 12. You get Easter egg when you move the clock to 12 o'clock, right? And the SE Linux status is enforcing here. You get Power Plus G kernel, and you have the latest security patch, March 5th, 2022. And this is the Palladium version 2.1 raw file, and this is the official build. Okay, so there is not much difference in Android 12 and Android 12L, but this Android 12L is closer to Android 13, right? When you press and hold in your home screen, you get to see your recent wallpapers, and you can go back to your recent wallpapers that you have used just by clicking like this, and you can see the animation of changing wallpapers. It's amazing, right? You can go back to your previous wallpapers like this, and the animations is beautiful, right? Okay, now the volume panel is now different. There is much larger space between the volume panels, right? You can see, right? And in quick setting panels, you get FPS info, caffeine, AOD, screenshot, CPU info, DC dimming, right? On the left side in your home screen, you get to see Google Feed. Although this device is 2 years old and it's running in 60 Hz, but the phone is really smooth. The phone is really smooth and fast till now. In settings, inside the Atomic Hub, you get the customization for your status bar, network speed, network indicator, right? Miscellaneous, so CPU info. I think there is some bug here. This is not working, right? You have UI, themes, use Monet engine, lock screens, use show media art. When you get notification, the edges of your screen will light up, right? And in apps, and you don't have game setting here. And in battery, you get thermal profiles and game mode. You can set your game to gaming and play the games. I think that will give you a better performance in gaming and better experience, right? And in gestures, you get one-handed mode, system navigation, gestures, three-finger screenshot, it's working. Double tap to sleep on the status bar and it's working. And the fingerprint, you see the fingerprint is not so fast, but it's smooth. And you get Google Camera Go here, right? You get Google Camera Go here. You have portrait, video, translate, right now I'm recording this video on terrace, so you get the noise of vehicles, right? But anyway, the ROM is smooth. You can try this custom ROM, and the battery backup is good. You can definitely give a try. And the safety net here, let's run the test. And the safety net pass, all the profiles are passing. Safety net request response signature validation, basic integrity is passing, CTS profile, all the profiles is success, right? And in Play Store, about you get device is certified, that is good. And I'm using banking application here, and it's working absolutely fine without any issues, right? That is good. And in DRM info you get wideband CDM security level L1. That is a good thing to have, so you won't have any problems with your Netflix, Amazon, right? And in your game sounds. And you have Google Assistant here, but right now I can't use the Google Assistant because the phone is being recorded in internal and external audio, so I can't use the microphone in Google Assistant right now. And you have Google Lens here, right? And if you press and hold, go to home setting. This is the customization for your home setting. About, app info. This is pixel launcher, right? See here, you can save the images from your recent just like you can do in your Pixel phone, right? Click this save, click this image icon, this pink color, and you can save the image or share the image just like this. Save and open in gallery, open in Google Photos, right? It's working absolutely fine, and this is a good feature. G BGMI and split screen, and you see the gaps between the two application, right? This is the new split screen you get in this Android 12L, right? Right, it's working in this Android 12L. The application are more optimized and it's smooth. You can see the app opening animation, the application opening animation are smooth. You can see the UI animation, it's smooth, right? You can definitely try out this custom ROM if you want to try Android 12L. And let's see the Geekbench score here, history, and the score are not that good. You get single score 620 and the multi score is 2501, right? This is pop kernel score. And let's see the Antutu benchmark score. Antutu benchmark score is very low. You get 450271, right? Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you are new to this channel and if you enjoy watching content like this, then consider subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video in the future. And please give the feedback of my videos in the comment section below, and it really motivates me to make such content. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care, bye bye, peace out.